Take some pictures or a video while standing back. This will show the door requiring access and the area surrounding it. Sketch a building plan showing the door swings and protruding points. These may include wall-mounted air conditioning units, rainwater pipes, or manhole covers. Please note the position of any drain or manhole covers on the building plan. The most important dimension of the survey is the finished floor level. Also, take the finished floor height from the door and from the corners of the building. This is the measurement from the ground to the floor level of the building. Open the door to check if there is a level threshold. In this video, the internal threshold is level. If this is not the case, we may need to allow for an internal ramp on a new level access door. Please sketch and annotate the threshold as shown on the example below. Measure the internal floor level to the threshold level. Measure the threshold width, point B, including details and protrusions, such as C and D. Measure the external ground to the threshold level. Once the building plan is drawn and the threshold heights are noted, please submit survey notes and pictures to RapidRamp. Email sales@rapidramp.co.uk or WhatsApp on 075 999 08161 as shown on your screen.